things I love most about TigerPak is how quick they can get their deliveries to you. I can call up that morning and sometimes have it by lunchtime, which is phenomenal.
TigerPak is a family-owned business. We all have a great relationship with each other. We'd love for our customers to be able to share that with us, to feel part of our culture.
We are always doing our best to make our customers happy.
And that starts right at the very top from management level, and it comes right down, feeds through the sales staff and right through to the customer, so they realise they're not just another number, but they're someone that's valued in the company.
I choose TigerPak because it's an easy supplier. I don't have to worry about if the products are in stock. Just call, place the order, and it's there the next day.
We don't just view ourselves as a company that supplies goods. We see ourselves as a partner with our clients. It's not about us, it's about them.
TigerPak sends lorries out with every single order. But this just shows our appreciation for them buying off us. It's showing the appreciation for them as persons, not just as customers.
Everyone seems to really like the free lollies. It's just a promotional thing we do with every single order.
I think the whole thing from A to B is above and beyond at the end of the day. There's not one special thing that TigerPak does. It's a group of everything.
Everything we market, everything we say we sell, we have here in stock. The fact we have it here in stock, we can turn it around very, very fast.
I would recommend TigerPak because I truly believe they're great at what they do. They're exceptional at what they do.
I'd recommend using TigerPak. I highly value the product and the service.
I would say give TigerPak a go. Might only start off with one product, but sooner rather than later you'll end up ordering different products and you'll be getting that brilliant service that they deliver.